Hi everybody, thanks for joining me today. Welcome back to Rachel Mella Craft. Rachel here. We are cracking on, ploughing on even, with our 100 days challenge. And today we are going to be working again with this weekend's Friday freebie files. Now, the Friday freebie files can be found on our Kofi page. You had a selection of tags to use. We did the vertical taglet on Friday. There's a backing page available for you, but also this page of tags. And this is what I'm going to be working with today, is this page of tags here. Now, if you watched my bonus video on Friday where I showed you how to print multiples using your printing settings, you will have learned how to create this size in your tags. So if you remember, we did a setting where we took one image and we created it several times over. I did it with the flashcards. Okay, so in order to get these this size, you need to add them to the printer. If you take them 4 to a page, so that's basically printing this page 4 on the same page, they will come out this size. Okay, so I hope that makes sense for you. Friday freebies over on our Kofi page. And like I say, if you want to go and check on the tutorial for how to print them out this size, go and check out Friday's bonus video. Oh my gosh, I'm spoiling you this weekend, aren't I? Right, straight into this. We are making miniature tag notelets, dangles. Miniature tag dangles. Yeah, we're having a really taggy week this week and I'm loving it. So what you're going to do is you're going to print off those tags that obviously come on that page where they are 4 together. You're going to be printing them off like this, but really tiny, so they'll come out like this. We are then going to fold them in half. Now, I have printed them with the freebie backing page on the back, so I have got these nice little lines on there. We're going to fold them in half to make these cute little notebooks, like so. Okay, so simply take your, I would ink it actually while it's open, and then this bit, you know, you can get into everything, you're not getting it all over your fingers, and then fold in half like so. This is such an easy tutorial, I promise you. Super, super easy. All right. There we go. Now, you just want to take your crocodile and using the small setting, you're going to pop a hole. So turn it around now because we're going to be popping a hole up in this top corner here. So this is where the join is, all right? And you're going to pop a hole about there. There we go. Okay. Then take a ball pin, like so. Oh, it doesn't want to open. There we go. And pop it through. Do it up so we don't stab ourselves. And there we have ourselves our little taglet dangle. I'm loving these taglets. They're fabulous. Fabulous. Okay, let's decorate a few up. Let me just finish off doing my little, I told you this was a simple and easy one, didn't I? And we're going to make them look shabbylicious now. Because shabbylicious is the name of the game this week. Oh, yes, it is. I hope you're enjoying all of the projects that we're doing. I hope you found the tutorial for the printing settings helpful. Like I said, I hope I've answered all of your questions. Yeah, it's just really good to know that you can do lots of different things, isn't it? With literally, you know, just one set of papers. There we go. So we've got ourselves 4 little taglets in. Let me move those out of the way a minute. And I'm just going to put a few little extra bits and pieces on to make them really shabby. So I think I'm going to add a little bit of lace. Oh my goodness, this is going to tax me now, isn't it? Because this is all going to be really small. So I think I'm going to open this up. I'm going to pop some glue across the bottom. Sorry, can you see what I'm doing here now? The light is not great today. Sun's still struggling to come out. Of course, I have pre-recorded this video because I am currently, in fact, whilst this video is going live, we will probably be at the race because Shaw is running the half marathon in Manchester on Sunday, which is today for you guys. So yeah, we'll probably be up there, and I hopefully will have obtained myself a cowbell, because there's nothing better being on the side of the marathon run with a cowbell making loads of noise. Yes, love it. I think the best ones were the Chicago Marathon, where they gave them out and you had, they usually give you like clapper hands or things like that, but they were giving the bells out at Chicago. They were fabulous. Oh, I remember bringing them home for Dan. And you had a little bag with it on, and the bells inside. They must be up in our attic somewhere. Should have kept it handy, shouldn't I? Probably find it now when I come back. But yeah, what a great noise. A cowbell. Ding-a-ling-ling-ling-ling. There we go. Right, so let me just pop some blue on this one. This is a great way to add lots of colour and just texture into your journals by adding these little extras. I'm terrible. I forget about stuff like this, and I'm always like, oh, what else could I be adding to make my journal look really cute and just, you know, just more. And I forget about these. I forget about altered paper clips. I forget about dangles. And I've got to be honest, I'm not very good with bulb pins, and they just never seem to go on right for me. But I think I've got it sussed with this one. I hope I have anyway, because I'll show you in a second what I'm going to do with it. So let's just pop a bit of lace on the bottom of that one there. This is my favourite image, this one, because it's got the faux stitching on it. I'm sure as well these would look wonderful with some stitching on, just to kind of make them really shabby. There we go. I will not be stitching today, however, and they look just as cute without. So if you don't have a sewing machine, do not fret. You can always add texture by adding fabric or adding lace or whatever. There we go. Just make sure that closes. I think that looks super cute. And same here. Make sure that shuts nicely. Yes. And that one there. Wonderful. Right, now I'm just going to add a few little bits and pieces. Oh my goodness, I should have got a pair of tweezers out. This is going to be fun now, I can see. Right, so I've got a couple of words here from Rose's lovely kit. Simple Pleasures. I'm loving these words. And I'm going to use them. Oh gosh, this is making me go boss-eyed. They're so small. My goodness. Okay. And then we've got a couple of these little labels here. This is from one of our freebies a couple of weeks ago. I think it was when I did the sewing images, which was probably the shabby chic stuff for the collaboration. So if you go back and look in our Kofi freebies, that's where you'll find these images. Okay, because I did them all for show some style. Do you know, I have to keep these things on the board in front of me because I forget what I'm on about otherwise. There we go. Nice seamstress's mannequin. And then I got another little label here. And these have all been printed in miniature. So basically I took 4 pages of ephemera and I printed them all on one page, and then that gave me them at this lovely tiny size. Okay, so I'm thinking I'm going to pop that little I might put it there actually, because I'm going to put a word. I'm going to put that word there. Oops. There we go. Yes, very cute. Let's just stick that down before it leaps off the desk. I can hear my washing machine spinning away downstairs. Good. Get all that on the line before I go. It'll all be done when I come home. Well, I hope so anyway. Providing the kids don't trash the house. No, they won't. They're good lads. They'll probably be tidier than it was when I left. There we are. Marvellous. How cute is that? I love it. It's so cute. Right, let's put a word on this one. I'm going to put at the seaside. Now, whilst I'm not going to the seaside this weekend, I'm going to put that on there anyway. That is, one of my favourite places. Oh, I can't stop the glue coming out. Oh my gosh. The hazards of working in miniature, eh? There we go. At the seaside. Could have done with a little shell there, but never mind. She can have oh no, we'll have a mason jar, because there could be anything in there, couldn't there? She could have shells in there, tadpoles. Tadpoles at the sea? I don't know about that, but you know. There we are, at the seaside. Or she could be in her sewing class and just dreaming of being at the seaside. Yeah, that sounds more like it. That sounds more like it, say. There we are. You can write in these now, look. Be able to put little notes and things in them. Let's do that one next. I think I'm going to pop that on there if there's enough room. Yes, there is. Wonderful. There we go. Stick that in the front. Excellent. And then I'm going to pop a little label in just on the side there. I might just cut that then. Just ink it there. As we do just half a label, which is just as nice. There we go. I'm not liking this light today. I am working in my own shadow. I do apologise if the image is not terrifically clear. There we go. A bit too much glue on that one, I think. Ooh, watch your little booklets don't stick together. Here we go. And then this one here, I'm going to do berry picking. Well, not me personally, of course. We're going to put berry picking down. I'm going to pop that down there again. Lovely. And then I'm going to pop this lovely image on the front. Just in the centre there. Move that off slightly. There we go. Wonderful. Oh, I love them. They are so blinking cute. Right, okay, let's get my little journal. There we go. So, how can we utilise these? Well, I'll tell you what I'm going to do straight off, because this is exactly what I was thinking of when I was thinking of them. I'm going to put a hole here, right on the edge there. I'm going to put an eyelet in there. I can pick one up with my gluey hands. There we go. I put the wrong eyelets in here the other day. A bit annoying myself. Never mind. Wrong colour. Oh, there we go. And then, do that again. There we are. And then, let me just pick that up a minute. I'm going to take this, no, that one there I'm going to put on the front. I like that one very, very much. There we go. And then I'm just going to hook that through there like so. And now I have myself a lovely dangle. There we are. How cute is that? So a little notelet on my notelet. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And I'm going to add some lace now to the bottom of this to match the imagery on there. So there we are, guys. Told you it'd be super simple and super easy. A lovely little tutorial for you today. Go and reduce the size of your tags to miniature and make yourselves some miniature taglets. Oh, they're just so lush. Look at them. There we go. Have a wonderful weekend. I will be back with you all very soon, and take care and just enjoy your weekend. I hope the sun shines for you. See you soon now. Bye.